us with pain in the lower back just below your fusion. Is that pain still there?
No.
Gone.
It's gone.
Awesome. Congratulations.
I thought I'd never see the day when it would be gone.
That's awesome. So how long did you have that pain for?
10 years.
10 years.
10 years plus, and it just got progressively worse over time. And I'm a YouTube fan, so I seen you, and you were my only hope.
Awesome. Well, I think you're going to be cured at this point. You're going to be very happy.
Thank you.
So who else do you have to thank for this day today? I know somebody helped you out.
Yeah, my mother. She helped me, my family.
What's your mother's name?
Judy.
Judy.
Judy, thanks, Mom.
Yeah,
I appreciate you.
You gave a very special gift to your son that I can't even imagine what it's like to be in pain all the time. And fortunately, I've never had back pain myself, but I actually got a splinter in my foot the other day, and I've ignored it. And every time I'm walking, I feel the pain in my toe, and I just haven't been able to get it out because my wife's in Orlando, and so I've been kind of alone dealing with the pain. But every time you get pressure on that, it hurts. It hurts like a sharp pain.
Yeah.
So I mean, for somebody like you with back pain for so long, every time you do things, you feel that pain. I can't even imagine the life you've lived for 10 years.
It's definitely been a struggle. Self-talk every day, positivity. I used to be a negative person until this happened, and now I'm just 100% positive, thankful.
Great. Yeah, your surgery went real well.
So thank you.
So how is a lack of pain in your back gonna change your life? How is it gonna help you?
Oh man, I will be able to do my life goals again, complete my music career goals, and just be happy. Be happy.
Good for you. What kind of musician are you?
I'm a music producer. I make instrumentals, 50 tracks an album. I have 28 albums out, and my goal is 300, so that'll keep me busy, and it's a wonderful retirement.
Well, make sure you send me a link to your music.
I will.
I want to hear it.
I will.
And when do you head back to Colorado?
Tomorrow at mid-afternoon.
Awesome. Anything else you want to say to your audience?
He's the man. I had zero hope, and now I'll be able to live my third life. So thank you.
You're
very
welcome.
much.
You're
Appreciate
welcome. I'm
it.
excited for you.
Me too.
And tell Judy thank you.
I first got my back pain in 2007 carrying up a heavy TV up a flight of stairs, and that began my problems. I went through several surgeries and a lot of operations, and it didn't fix my problem. I was basically out of hope, and my marriage failed, my career slowed down, and then I was just watching YouTube all day long, and then I came across Dr. Deuk Spine Center here in Melbourne, Florida. I contacted them and I sent them my MRIs, and they said they could help me. Immediately I got some hope back. I cleaned my house because I was like, wow, I'm excited, and now I can continue on my life goals and this and that. So I got here. I stayed in a hotel just right down the street, got an Uber. They prepped me for surgery, and it was real comfortable. They made me feel excellent inside, and I went in about an hour, and then I came back out, and I felt like a new man. It was amazing. Dr. Deuk is amazing. If you have back pain or loss of hope, please do see him and get your life back. And this is the day after surgery, and I'm going home already, back to Colorado. I've had an amazing time here. Everyone's been nice, courteous, and respectful.